Hey guys, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. Today we are going to take a step toward Halloween and we're going to make some eyeball coasters. In honor of Halloween, we're going to make some eyeball coasters today. Today I'm using the fast cast resin for the background. And I'm doing that because it sets up very quickly and it's so easy to use. And I'm going to make two backgrounds. And the nice thing about it is that it's very quick to mix as well. Okay, then I'm going to pour half in this one. I want to make sure I get the bottom covered. Half in that one. And I'm going to just let it be, and it is going to set very quickly. I did my eyeballs on transparency film. I have my circle cutter. I'm going to try to center it as best I can. Press down, and I am cutting on the shiny side so that the ink or toner side is not going to be scratched. And these are royalty-free images, and I'll have a link to them down in the description below. And I go around several times just to make sure I have it completely cut. And there's the one eyeball, and there's the second one. Now the fast cast has set, and you don't have to use the fast cast. You could use just your regular resin, use the white pigment in there and put it in there, but you would want to let it sit a minimum of 12 hours, and then you would come back and do this step. But if you do a fast setting resin for the background, it just cuts down on your work time. So I'm going to just pour about an ounce in here and in here. Then I'll take my lighter, pop the bubbles. And then you want to take your eyeballs and carefully slide them in. And you'll take your stir stick and press it down. And you want to press it down and make sure you get all the bubbles out from underneath. And you'll be able to see it, and you can run the bubbles to the edge and they'll pop right out. And that's why I cut the transparency to just under 4 inches, because that gives you that little bit of room for those bubbles to exit out from underneath the film. Then you want to let them sit a minimum of 12 hours before you pull them out of the mold. Our eyeball coasters have cured, and I'm just going to pop them right out. Here's our very cool green one, and here's our white one that looks like it's sort of popping out. See, and they even have the reflections in there already. See, this is not reflecting anything here. It's all part of it to make it look more natural. I think these are pretty great additions for the holiday decor. Let me know what you think of them down in the comments below. Easy, and they look great. And here's the back, just simple white. I hope you guys like the eyeball coasters. They're perfect for Halloween. Just have laying around, or maybe give one to your favorite ophthalmologist. I will definitely see you next time. You guys remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.